It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It comes with great features you love: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, active grille shutters, Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.